Let's take a look at Google Drive organization and different things that you can do within Google Drive. So, I just want to show you how I organize my drive. I have different folders. You can see things that teachers share with me that I help with, or different programs, different things for PGP points, both my own and for PD for other people, things like that. Different folders and files for uploads and things. And then I have my different things down here. So, like for example, I have some different things here, pictures and things. Okay, I have this Canvas symbols. I don't need that to be just in my drive. I need to find a place for that to go. So I'm actually going to move it up and into my technology lessons. That way it's out of my main drive, but I know where to go to find it. So here, for example, my presentation, I'm going to put those also in technology lessons, those kinds of things you can move in there. You can also have folders set up within folders. So, for example, within my technology lessons, I have different things for Canvas and things like that so that I can better organize. So, I'm going to take that Canvas symbols. I'm going to move it up here and put it into the Canvas folder. That way, it is easier for me to find later when I need to find it and I know where that is. You can also upload different things. You can go over to new. You can put an entire folder from your computer or a file, either one. You can just create a new folder. That's how I created those different folders in my drive. Or you can click over here to create a new form, doc, anything like that. Also, in your drive, you can change the colors of the folders if that helps you. So, for example, I always use green for my Google Photos. I've used brown just kind of playing around with the badges. You can do that by right clicking, and then you can go to change color and you can change the color on there. You can also look and see if you have shared drives. So, for example, if you have any with other departments or within your department, those kinds of things, you can do a shared drive with them. And you can also create shared drives. You can see documents that have been shared with you as well as any of your recent ones. And if you star any, then you can do that. If you delete anything, it's going to end up in your trash, but you also have the ability to move things back from your trash into your normal drive. Okay, priority if you prioritize them based on what you've done recently or if you actually set a priority, but you can just go back to your regular drive by clicking drive. And so that is how I keep my drive organized and different things that you can do within Drive to help make it more manageable.